Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to install the brand new C8 Corvette most durable ACS Composite front splitter ever. Hello everyone and welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today I'm super excited to be able to bring this content to you guys. Real quick before we get into the video though, if you have not smashed that thumbs up button, please do so, as that gives me huge support on the channel. It really boosts the video big time, and also help me reach 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2021 by smashing that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. So again, I'm super excited about this content that I'm going to be bringing to you today. This video is sponsored by ACS Composite, as you saw in the beginning, because they have gotten their 5VM replica front splitter finished and sent it out to me to do my review on and do the installation process on. And today, yes, Mark is going to help us do that installation. So let's not waste any time. Let's get over to Mark's and let's get this thing up on the lift and get it installed for you guys to see. I can't wait. Looks like Mark is moving the C3 out. Yep. Dude, check it out.
Man, you got it? I sent it to you.
Look how big that is.
God, that's going to be fantastic. That's the front splitter, right?
Yeah, that's the front splitter.
From ACS Composite.
We're going to put it on this, right?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it'll be about 6 feet wide. the cars are now so wide. All right, let me get this out of here.
All right, sounds good, man. So, thank you, Mark, yet again for helping me out with a video. We're going to unbox this front splitter from ACS Composite. And I actually
throw it on the pace car, right?
Yeah, let's throw it up there and unbox it. I watched ACS's video last night, and it looks like it's a really simple job, but the number one thing that I took away from that video is that this front splitter, they have beefed up big time.
Really?
So it's not like the normal front splitters where, you know, you barely touch a curb and it shatters or mess it. This thing won't do that.
It's not flimsy.
Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what it looks like on the car, and obviously I'm going to do everything I can not to hit it. But
now, is this a new piece that they got?
It is. It's brand spanking new.
You got a new piece. Okay.
He even said that he was a little bit late to the game, but they really wanted to get it right.
Engineer it right.
Yeah.
All right, good.
So
let's get it open and
let's
see what
do
it
it.
looks like. Yeah.
And it's a one piece.
One piece. All right.
Yeah,
very
it's a
nice.
one piece.
Yeah.
So the difference is a lot of the manufacturers are doing 2-piece or 3 pieces. In fact, that is in 3 pieces.
Yeah, the stock Corvette one is in 3 pieces. Yeah.
So this is the instructions right there.
So Mike, you say this isn't on too many cars yet?
That's true. It's on one of ACS's C8s.
Yeah.
But I haven't seen anybody else install it yet.
Okay.
So it should be one of the first C8s that it's been installed on.
What's the name of this finish, Mike?
This is Carbon Flash.
Carbon Flash. It's the Carbon Flash.
Carbon Flash metallic. Get my car raised up and the front splitter off, and
I'll just get it up on the lift and get it up in the air and make it easy.
Yep. So it's kind of dark. I'm in the shade, but what do you guys think so far about the way this looks? I love those huge side canards. Mark's raising her up. We'll get it nice and high so we can easily work on it. And get this bad boy off. By the way,
What?
you're gonna need a Z51 front splitter, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Guess who that's going to?
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's all yours, man.
All right. Excellent.
Yeah.
All right, man. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Absolutely, man.
Oh, I gotta get myself a Z51 wing in the back.
Exactly.
Yeah. Very good. Thanks, Mike.
Yeah, no problem. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see, there are lots of screws on this thing. And they go all the way across.
It's a T15.
Yes,
hex.
T15 hex.
T15, yeah.
Let me show that real quick. So that's what that is right there.
It's a T15.
And like I said, they just continue all the way down this thing to there. So we're gonna get going. Look how easy that was. Came out in 2 seconds. So as you can see, this surface is a little bit dirty from all the miles. So we'll get that all cleaned up and then we'll put the new guy on. All right, Mike's got it. Yep. So we'll probably want to put one screw on the side there, one screw on that side,
my God,
one
Mike,
screw
that
in the
looks
middle.
already amazing. That looks amazing.
Yeah, it's gonna be incredible.
All right, this should be the last one.
All right.
We decided to go by hand because they're so easy to put in, but you need to make sure you're not stripping it out. You just want to go feel it with your turn of your wrist. Just like that. Just like that. Make sure that one's tight. It's tight. Now all these holes really matched up well, Mike. I mean,
They did.
Really,
I agree.
Very nice. It just,
Yeah.
There was no finagling or anything. It was.
That's true.
It just went right in.
Yep. That's a very simple install, ladies and gentlemen. I couldn't be happier with how easy that was and how good it looks. Now we don't have it down on the ground yet, but once we get it down, you guys will be able to see how great this front splitter looks on the Captain America C8. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed it. Give Mark and I a big thumbs up. ACS Composite did an excellent job on this. I know Mark agrees.
Oh yeah.
This, as you guys saw, you know, it looks fantastic. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't joined the wonderful Brink of Speed community, make sure you smash that red subscribe and bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. All of the ACS Composite information will be down in the description below, so you guys can check it out in there. I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you out on the road.